Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we'll be solving some problems related to discount. So if you haven't watched the previous two videos, I recommend you watching those two videos first so that it will help you clear your concepts. So let's start by solving the first question. The mark price of a table lamp is rupees 2165. During the festive season, it is sold for rupees 1710.35. Find the percentage of discount. We have to find the percentage of discount. Okay. So whenever any question is telling you to find a discount, that means the formula for discount is mark price minus selling price. And then if the question is telling you to find a discount percentage, then the formula is discount divided by mark price into 100. Okay, so to find a discount percentage, we always find it with respect to the mark price. Just like in loss and profit, we find it with respect to CP, right? That is cost price. So discount percentage, we always find it with respect to mark price. So in this question, you have to find a discount percentage. So discount percentage equal to, so discount is mark price minus selling price, right? So MP minus SP divided by mark price into 100. So in the question, the mark price is given, that is rupees 2165 minus selling price is 1710.35 divided by mark price is 2165 into 100. So if you solve this, you will get the value as 454.65 divided by 2165 into 100. Now you will get the final answer is 21%. Okay, so this is how you find a discount percentage. So let's go to the second question. Next question. A shopkeeper offers a discount of 10% on the mark price of an article and still makes a profit of 20% if the mark price is 1200. You have to find the cost price in this question. So just now in the previous question, we have already learned the formula, that is discount percent equal to mark price minus SP divided by MP into 100. So we have already learned this formula. So discount percentage is given, mark price is given, so we can find out the selling price, right? Because to find out the cost price, when profit percentage is given, the formula to find the CP when profit percentage is given is 100 divided by 100 plus profit percent into SP. That means we have to find the SP first, right? So to find the SP, we will use this formula. So put the values. Discount percent is given as 10. Mark price is 1200 minus selling price, we don't know. Mark price 1200 into 100. Cancel the zeros. So this 12 will go this side, so it will become 120 equal to 1200 minus selling price. Send this SP this side. So that means SP minus SP will become plus SP, right? Because we are transposing. So, and bring 120 this side. So SP will be how much? SP will get 1080. Now we found the SP. Now if you put the value of SP here, then we will get the value of cost price. So this is how much? 100 plus profit percentage is given, that is 20%, into selling price 1080. So put the solve this. So this will be 120 into 1080. So 0 cancel. So 12 90s are, so if you solve, you will get 900. So that means the cost price is 900. So 900 is the answer. But this method is very long, okay, when it comes to exam perspective. So let me show you another short trick. So there is another method. Let's try to solve from that method. So when we're talking about discount, that means we're talking about mark price and selling price. So suppose that the mark price is 100. So that means the actual selling price after 10% discount will be 90, right? That means from 100, if you subtract 10, as 10% discount is given, you will get 90. So you cancel, so you will get 10 by 9. And when we're talking about profit, then we're talking about cost price and selling price. Yes or no? So suppose if the cost price is 100, then the actual selling price is how much? You want 20% profit. That means you have to sell at 120%, right? That means 100 plus 20, because you want the profit as 20%. So if you solve this, so 2526. So that means you're getting as 5 by 6. So the equation is what? MP by SP equal to 10 by 9. CP by SP equal to 5 by 6. So you're getting this. So from this equation, we don't need selling price, yes or no? So how do I remove this selling price? Because the mark price is given, so in order to find the cost price, we need a relationship between mark price and cost price, yes or no? So that means in order to remove this selling price, you just do this one ulta, okay? So you can write MP by SP equal to 10 by 9. So if you do this one ulta, SP by CP, this will become 6 by 5. Now to cancel the SP, now you can by cross multiplication, okay, you can remove this. So SP cancel, yes or no? Now you can cancel these values also. 5 2s are 10, 3 2s are 6, 3s are 9. Now just write the values. So MP by CP will be 2 into 2 will be 4, right? And then 3. Now in the question, the mark price is given as 1200. So that means 4 parts of mark price, okay, is equal to 1200. So 1 part of mark price will be how much? So that means 4 into how much is 1200? So that is 4 into 300 is 1200. So we have to find the cost price of 3 parts of the articles. That means you also have to multiply 300 with the cost price. It will give you 900. So that means therefore the cost price of the article is 900. Okay, so this is how we find by ratio method. So whichever method you're comfortable with, you can solve. You will get the same answer. So in the other questions, we will go with this method, okay, because this method helps us to save more time. So this is a similar question. You try to solve it by yourself. Now, a shopkeeper earns a profit of 10% after allowing a discount of 20% on the mark price. The cost price of the article whose mark price is rupees 935 is. So we have to find the cost price similar to the previous question. So when we're talking about profit percent, that means we're talking about SP divided by CP. So if the cost price is 100, then the selling price will be 110, right? Because we're selling it in 10% profit. So cancel, you will get as 11 by 10. So when we're talking about discount, we're talking about mark price and selling price. So if the mark price is 100, so the actual selling price after 20% discount will be 80, right? 100 minus 20 will give you 80. So that means you will get this one as 2 5s are 2 4s are. So that means 5 by 4. Now we have to find a cost price when mark price is given. So that means we don't need selling price, yes or no? So write the equation. SP by CP equal to 11 by 10. Mark price by SP equal to 5 by 4. So SP and SP cancel. 5 2s are 10. So that means mark price by selling price is how much? So This is 11 by 8. So in the question, the mark price is given as 935, right? So that means 11 parts is rupees 935. So one part will be how much? So 11, how much is 935? So 1185 is 935. So that means the cost price will be how much? So to find the cost price, it will be 8 into 85. You will get 680. So therefore, the cost price is rupees 680. So this is how we solve. We'll solve more examples so that this concept will be clear to you. So let's go to the next question. Next question. A trader wishes to gain 15% after allowing a 10% discount on the mark price to his customers. At what percent higher than the cost price must he mark his goods? So we have to find the percentage higher than the cost price, okay? So that he gets a 15% profit after allowing a 10% discount. When we're talking about gain percent, that means we're talking about selling price by cost price. So if the cost price is 100, then the selling price will be how much after addition of 15% gain? So that it will be 115. So this will be 520, 523. So this will be 23 by 20. Now when we're talking about discount, that means we're talking about MP by SP. So MP, the mark price is 100, then the selling price, the actual selling price after 10% discount will be 90. So that means 0, 0 cancels. So this will be 10 by 9. Now, in this question, we don't need selling price, right? So instead of writing the equation again and again, just cancel this one. Selling price, cancel. So this will be 10, 2s are 20. So the mark price to cost price ratio will be, mark price is 23 divided by 9, 2s are 18, right? 18. The difference is 5, right? So that means the trader, he have to sell 5 parts more than the cost price to get 15% gain and after allowing a 10% discount. So to find the percentage will be 5 divided by, it will always respect to cost price, that is 18 into 100. So if you solve this, you will get the value as 27.77%. So the trader have to mark his goods at 27.77% higher than the cost price to get 15% gain after allowing a 10% discount. Sanjay made a profit of 8% by selling a shirt after offering a discount of 12%. If the mark price of the shirt is this, find the cost price. So a similar concept, we're talking about profit, that means SP by CP. So if the cost price is 100, then to get a 8% profit, it will be 108, right? So if you convert in the simplest form, so this will be 27 by 25. And then if we're talking about discount, then that means we're talking about mark price by selling price. So that means if the mark price is 100, after offering a 12% discount, then you're selling it by 88, right? So convert in the simplest form. So you will get this one as 25 by 22. Now in this question, we have to find the cost price. So that means we don't need selling price. So that means SP cancel. So 25 cancel. So whatever remains. So that means MP by CP is how much? This is 27. This is remaining, right? 27 and then 22. In the question, mark price is given as how much? 1080. So that means 27. How much is 1080? So that means 27 40s are. So multiply 22 by 40. So you will get the cost price as rupees 880. So therefore, the cost price is rupees 880. So this is how you solve. So this question, you try to do it by yourself by pausing this video, and then you check later whether your answers are coming correct or not. So the price of a cycle is marked at rupees 1150. Profit is 15% after allowing a discount of 15% on the mark price. So we have to find the cost price. So we're talking about profit here. So profit means SP by CP. If the cost price is 100, the selling price will be 115, right? So simplest form, convert it. So that means this will be 23 by 20. Now discount means we're talking about mark price by selling price. So if the mark price is 100, so after discount 15%, so you have to sell the product at 85. So convert into simplest form. So this will be 20 by 17. So you have to find the cost price. That means you don't need selling price. So SP cancelled. So 20 cancel. So that means MP by CP will be 23 by 17. So the mark price is given as 1150 according to the question. So we have to find the cost price. So 23, how much is 1150? So 2350. So that means 17 into 50 will give you the actual cost price, that is 850. Therefore CP is 850. Now let's proceed to the next question. An item is marked for rupees 800 for sale. If two successive discounts of 10% and 5% are allowed on the selling price of the article will be. So we have to find the SP. So in case of successive discounts, don't directly add a discount, that is 10 plus 5 will give you 15%. After getting 15%, don't directly apply the 15% discount in this mark price. Okay, you will get the wrong answer. Successive discount means first, after 10% discount on this very item here, whatever amount you get, you have to apply another 5% discount. So that is successive discount. Okay. So to find the successive discount, there is a formula, that is x plus y minus xy by 100. So this is the formula to find the successive discount. So x and y are the discount given, that is first discount, second discount. Okay, so in this question the first discount is 10, right? So 10 plus 5 minus 10 into 5 divided by 100. 0 cancel, 5 2s are. So this will be 15 minus 1 by 2. If you solve this, you will get the answer as 14.5%. So the actual discount is 14.5%. But if you directly add 10 plus 5, you're getting 15% discount. Yes or no? So that's why you're not supposed to add this to discounts. Okay. Use this formula. So to find the SP, the mark price is how much? 800, right? Minus from 800 of 14% is how much? So if you solve this, 800 into 14.5 divided by 100, 0 0 0 0. So if you solve 800 minus, multiply 8 into 14.5, you will get 116. So if you subtract, you will get the answer as rupees 684. So this is the selling price after successive discounts. Okay. Now let's try to solve this same problem with ratio method. Now by using ratio method, we're talking about discount. That means MP and SP is involved. So successive discount means if the mark price is 100, the first discount is how much? 10. So that means actual selling price is 90. Similarly, in 5% discount, if 100 is the mark price, after 5% discount, how much? So you're selling the product at 95, right? So if you cancel this, 0 0 cancel, 5 2s are 5 1 9. So you will get the answer as 200 divided by, multiply 19 into 9 will give you 171. So the mark price is given as 800, right? So 200, how much is 800? 4. So similarly, multiply 171 into 4, you will get as 684. So this type of solution, it doesn't even take 1 minute, right? So that means the selling price is rupees 684. So if you don't understand this method, then you go with this one. Now let's solve the next question. While selling a cooler, a shopkeeper gives a discount of 10% on the mark price. If he gives a discount on 12%, he earns 25 less his profit. So we have to find a mark price. So mark price means 100%, right? Mark price is 100%. So in this question, the shopkeeper gives a discount of 10% on mark price. And if he gives a discount of 12% on mark price, then he is getting how much? Rupees 25 less. Okay, yes or no? So that means 10 minus 12 is how much? 2%. So as per this question, this 2% is equal to rupees 25. Yes or no? This 2% is equal to rupees 25. Now mark price is 100%. Yes or no? So to make this 100%, what do you have to do? You have to multiply this 2% into 50. Yes or no? Then only you will get 100%. So similarly, if you multiply here with 50, then 25, you have to multiply with 50. So this will be 100%, and then 25 into 50 will be how much? 1250. So that means this 100% is the mark price, right? So the mark price is 1250. Okay, so this is how you find this type of problems. Let's go to the next question. Next question. An article is sold at a discount of 20% and an additional discount of 30% is allowed on cash payment. If Raj purchased the article by paying rupees 3080 in cash, the mark price of the article is, so we have to find the mark price. So when we're talking about discount, it means MP by selling price, right? So if MP is 100%, so after 20% discount, the selling price will be 80. Now an additional discount, if mark price is 100, additional discount is 30%, so that means this is 70. So 0, 0 cancel, 0, 0 cancel, 2 5s are, 2 4s are, 2 2s are, 2 5s are. So that means this is 25 by 7 2s are 14. So in the question, he purchased means this is the selling price. Okay, so this is the selling price. So 14, how much is 3080? So 14 220 is 3080. So multiply 220 at upside also. So you will get 5500. That means the mark price is 5500. Let's go to the next question. Shubroto sold an article for rupees 528 after allowing a discount of 12% on the mark price. What was the mark price of the article? So discount of 12% means MP by SP equal to, MP is 100, that means the selling price will be 88. Convert into the simplest form, so that means you will get 25 by 22. So 25 by 22. As per the question, the sold article is how much? 528. So that means this is the SP, 528. So 22, how much is 528? So 22, 24 is 528. So that means multiply with 24 upside also. So 25 into 24 will give you 600. That means therefore the mark price is 600 rupees. Next question. Shopkeeper marked the selling price of an article at 20% above the cost price. At the time of selling, he allowed a certain discount and suffered a loss of 4%. So we have to find the discount percentage in this question. So the shopkeeper marked the selling price of an article 20% above the cost price. That means mark price by CP. If the cost price is 100, 20% above, because he marked, right? Mark the selling price means that is the mark price, yes or no? So 20% above means 100 plus 20% will give you 120. So convert into simplest form. So you will get this one as 6 by 5. So 6 by 5. So loss of a person means that is SP by CP. So if the CP is 100, and then if the selling price after loss 4% will be how much? That is 100 minus 4 will give you 96. So convert into simplest form. 5 0 2 4 are 8 2 2 4 25. So that means 24 by 25. So you have to find a discount person. So if you're planning to find a discount person from this and this, we don't need the cost price, yes or no? So to remove the cost price, that means MP by CP equal to 6 by 5. Just make this one uta. We need to cancel the cost price, right? So this will be 25 by 24. Now, cost price cancelled. So this is 5, 5 are 25. 6 4 are. So that means MP by SP is how much? 5 by 4. So the difference is how much? Difference is 1, right? So we have to find a discount percentage. To find out the discount percentage, so the difference is 1. So always with respect to mark price. So that is 5 into 100. So this will give you 5 2. That means the discount percentage is 20%. Okay. So this question is a similar question to the previous question. So you pause this video, try to do it by yourself, and then check your solution. So the shopkeeper marked the selling price of an article 30% above the cost price. At the time of selling, he allowed a certain discount and suffered a loss of 10%. Find the discount percentage. So shopkeeper marked the selling price at 30% above the cost price. So this means MP by CP. If the cost price is 100, above means 130%. So this will be 13 by 10. At the time of selling, he allowed a certain discount and suffered a loss of 10%. So loss of 10% means CP by SP equal to, if the cost price is 100, so loss of 10%, the selling price will be 100 minus 10 will be how much? 90, right? So this will be 10 by 9. So in this question, we don't need cost price. So that means CP cancel, and 10 can be cancelled. So MP by SP will be how much? 13 by 9. So the difference is 4, right? So we have to find a discount percentage. So discount percentage will be difference is 4. Always respect to MP when it comes to discount. So that is 13 into 100. So if you solve this, you will get the answer is 30.78%. So next question. So in this question, just apply the same concept that we did in the previous question. So a shopkeeper earns profit of 12% on selling a book at 10% discount. So we have to find the ratio of CP and the printed price. Printed price means the mark price, okay? So profit of 12% means, that means we're talking about SP and CP. If the cost price is 100, then to get a profit of 12%, so it will be 112, right? So if you convert in the simplest form, so you will get it as 25 by 28. Now, discount of 10% means we're talking about mark price and selling price. Mark price, if the mark price is 100, after a 10% discount, this will be 90, right? So this will be 10 by 9. So as per the question, we have to find the ratio of CP to MP. So that means we don't need SP. So SP cancelled. So this will be 5 2s are, this will be 5 5s are. We cannot cancel anymore. So MP by CP will be how much? Multiply 28 into 2 will give you 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4, 5 56, and the 9s are will give you 45. The question is telling you to find CP to MP, right? So that means CP to MP will be how much? 45 by 56. So 45 by 56, option number A is the correct answer. So this question was asked in the NCS 2023. Next question, the mark price is 10% higher than the cost price. So that means MP by CP is how much? MP is 10% higher. So if the CP is 100, so it will be 110, right? Convert into simplest form, so you will get 11 by 10. And then a discount of 10% is given on the mark price. That means discount is MP by SP. So if mark price is 100, the discount 10% means the selling price will be 90, right? So convert into simplest form, 10 by 9. So we have to find the seller is getting gain or loss. So that means we don't need mark price in this question. So that means MP by CP equal to how much? 11 by 10. So in order to remove the mark price, change this uta, okay? So that means this will be 9 by 10. So MP will be cancelled. So we cannot cancel anymore. That means SP by CP is how much? 99 by 100. So if you see this one, that means the person is getting loss. Yes or no? Because SP is 99 and cost price is 100. So we know that when CP is greater than SP, this is the loss. So that means this option get cancelled, this option get cancelled. So loss by how much? By 1. So to find the loss percentage, what do we do? Difference of SP and CP, always respect to CP. That means 100 into 100. So cancel, that means the person is getting a loss of 1%. So that means option number D is your correct answer. Next question, successive discount of 10%, 12% and 15% amount to a single discount. That means MP by SP, right? So for 10%, if the mark price is 100, so selling price will be 90, right? And then for the other discount, if the mark price is 100, 12% discount will be 88. And then the next 100 after 15% discount, so it will be 85. So if you solve this, 0, 0 cancel. 5 2s are 5 1s are 7. So 2 4 4 2 5 0 2 25 2 2 2, and then we can cancel this also. 2 10 2 11. Any more? No. So directly multiply all the values. If you multiply all the values, then you will get as 2500 divided by 1683. So what is the difference between the MP and SP? So that is 817. So we have to find a single discount, right? So that means discount percentage is 817, always with respect to MP. So MP is 2500 into 100, 0 cancel. So if we divide 817 by 25, you will get as 32.68%. So you can find this one easily like this. So let's go to the next question. Dealer marked the price of an item 40% above the cost price. He allowed two successive discounts of 20% and 25% to a particular customer. As a result, he incurred a loss of rupees 448. What price did he sell to the said customer? So that means mark price is how much? Mark price to CP, 40% above the cost price. So if the cost price is 100, so this will be 140. So convert into simplest form, then you will get a 7 by 5. So that is 7 by 5. Now Next part is he allowed two successive discounts, right? So that means two successive discount means we're talking about MP by SP. First is if the mark price is 100, 20% discount, so selling price will be 80. And then next successive discount is 25%, right? So 100 divided by 75. So if you solve this, so this will be 2, 5, 2, 4, 5, 1, 5, 5, 2, 0, 5, 3, 0. So this will be, and this will be 4, 5, 0. So this will be 5 by 3. So in this question, we have to find the selling price, right? So to find the selling price, we don't need a mark price, yes or no? So that means you remove the mark price. So that means MP by CP is how much? 7 by 5. You remove the MP, it will be SP by MP, right? So this will be 3 by 5. MP cancel. We cannot cancel anymore. So SP by CP is how much? 7 3s are 21. 25. So how many parts? 4 parts, right? So in the given question, he incurred a loss of 448. So that means this 4 parts is equal to how much rupees? 448. So one part of loss will be how much? One part of loss will be 448 divided by 4, right? So if you cancel, you will get how much? 4112. So that means one part of loss is rupees 112. So selling price is 21 parts. So selling price is how much? So 21 parts into 112 will be how much? If you multiply 21 into 112, you will get rupees 2352 as the selling price. Okay, so this is how we solve this type of question. So let's go to the next question. 3 successive discount on the mark price of a book turns out to be equivalent to a single discount of 24%. If the rate of the first, second discount are given, that is 5% and 4%, what is the value of the third discount? So as per the question, MP by SP is equal to, if mark price is 100, as per first discount, how much? So that is 95, right? So second discount is given as 4%. So that means the selling price will be 96. And third discount, we don't know, so we have to find out. This is equivalent to single discount of 24%. So that means 100 by, this will be 76. So we have to find X by Y. So that means 100 by 76. You shift these two values this side, okay? So that means it will become, when you transpose, it will become upside down, right? So 96 by 100 into 95 by 100. So let's cancel the terms. 100 can be cancelled. So this will be 5 2s are 5 19s are. And we know that 19 into 4 is 76. And this can be cancelled. 4 2s are 8. 4 4s are. And then 4 6s are. 4 5s are. So that means X by Y we're getting as 6 by 5%. So that means this one is the MP, okay, and this one is the SP. So we have to find the value of the third discount. So discount percent is how much? Difference of 6 and 5 is 1, right? 1 part. Always respect to MP. So MP is 6. So 6 into 100. If you divide, you will get 16.667%. So this is the discount of the third value. Next question. The price of an article is raised by 30% and then two successive discount of 10% each are allowed ultimately. So the price of the article is, so we have to find whether it is increased or decreased and by how much percent, okay? So as per the question, raised by 30%. That means the question is talking about MP by CP. If the cost price is 100, so raised by 30%, MP will be 130, right? So 0, 0 cancel, 13 by 10. So a successive discount, 2 successive discount of 10%. So that means MP by SP. So 100 by 90 into 100 by 90. Why? Because 2 successive discount, okay? So 0, 0 cancel, 0, 0 cancel. So this will be 100 by 81. 9 into 9 is 81. As per the given options, we have to find whether it is increase or decrease, right? So that means we need only CP and SP, yes or no? So we don't need mark price. So to cancel the mark price by CP is how much? 13 by 10, and SP by MP is how much? 81 by 100, because we want to cancel the mark price. So MP cancelled, SP by CP. So 13 into 81 will give you 1053. So this will be 1000. So this is increased by how many? 53. So don't directly go and take this one, 52. Okay, we have to find the percentage. So that means this is a profit percent, yes or no? So that means profit percent is how much? 53. Always with respect to CP. CP is 1000 into 100. 0, 0 cancel, 0, 0. So 53 divided by 10 will give you 5.3%. So this is increased by 5.3%. Option number B is the correct answer. So the next question will be the last question. The mark price of a book is rupees 1000. If a retailer buys this book at rupees 810 after getting 2 successive discount of 10% and X%, what should be the second discount rate? So we have to find the second discount rate. So in this question, successive discount means MP by SP equal to how much? First discount is 10%. So if mark price is 100, selling price is 90. So X by Y, we don't know. We have to find the second discount rate, right? So this is equal to how much? Mark price is 1000 rupees, yes or no? And then if the retailer buys this book at rupees 810, that means this is the selling price. Now you find the value of X by Y. So this is 0, 0 cancelled, yes or no? So this will be 100 by 81. Shift this one at the other side. So this will be into 90 by 100. So this 0, 0 can be cancelled. 9 9s are 81. 10 10s are. So X by Y is equal to 10 by 9. So we know that this one is MP and this one is SP. So we have to find a discount percent. So discount percent is how much? Difference of 10 and 9 is 1, right? So 1 divided by, always with respect to MP, into 100. 0, 0 cancel. So that means discount is 10%. So this is all for this video. Remember that the key to mastering aptitude is practice, practice, and practice. So try to solve as many questions as you can, and you'll develop a deep understanding of the concepts. Don't just memorize formulas, but focus on building your intuition and confidence. So thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video.